What's going on? This is Super Simple Fixes. Today we're going to be talking about a pair of shoes that I've been wearing for a few weeks now. If you haven't seen my previous shoe review about Under Armour, I can tell you for sure I am now even more a fan of Under Armour than I was before. So this pair of shoes, the Under Armour Charged Commit TR3 Cross Trainer, is the loudest pair of shoes I've ever owned. Very bright. I've been wearing them for a few weeks, like I said before. They are super functional, handles lateral movements very well. What this tells me is that you can have a durable, effective, and comfortable shoe at an affordable price. You don't really need to pay a lot of money for a good CrossFit shoe. Before we get out of here, let's talk a little bit about the specs of the shoe. It is 100% cotton with a synthetic sole, and it only weighs 10.6 ounces, so it's rather light. Wide toe box, I have wide feet. I really like this shoe. The problem with the previous version was that the ankle portion came up a little bit too high and started rubbing up against my ankle bone, but eventually it softened up and it was fine. So this version does not have that issue. Have any questions? Feel free to put it down below.